If we perform a multiple selection of drawing entities, we'll notice that in the BOQ section, the list of selected object types is shown together with the price list items which are assigned to each object, and for each item the name of that object. Selecting the price list item, highlighted in yellow, we have the set of objects for which that specific item can be used, while highlighted in green those objects that have already been assigned to the same price list item. Using the selection filter, we can, of course, when necessary, highlight a group and proceed to its quantification. For example, we may want to apply the same price list items used for a given room, let's say the living room here, and consider the flooring and skirting items to other rooms too. So by simply activating the corresponding checkbox, we can apply the chosen measurement model used for a specific object to other rooms too. We'll apply the flooring item to all, but without considering the skirting item for the bathroom and the kitchen. For these rooms, we'll be considering wall tiles instead.